Here, this is Sherry from Navigationdisk, and for the first time in history of the Navigationdisk, we started selling the LED, which is 100% compatible with the Japanese vehicle because we analyzed the consumptions of the power, and which is very low. We are keeping it 35 watts, not 65, 75. We already tested, and the beautiful thing is that you will see the voltage variation is equal to 2800. That's huge. And the working lifespan is usually all other, you will see 20,000 hours, but it is about 30,000. All right, other things is remain same, and of course you get the toughest thing, which is amazing, right? Isn't it? This is going to be shipped out tonight to UK with our branding, and it's a Navigationdisk ballast with the warranty and characteristics there. So plug and play, and of course the back factory things. This is something you won't find in the market very easily. It's a D4S. Yeah, so we entitled these things with the highest sticker line, and you can use these things as long as you want because these things go long for 30,000 hour and up. So we will send this out shortly to customer, and we are started selling this. We are now the manufacturer and the seller of the original this D50. The model is D50 is marketing and distributed by us, and there's some variations over there you will see. So you have very options to choose any color. Grab us the deal, and we will try to give you guys the best things, so you'll be very happy. You don't have to buy again one again, that's granted. Just try a one pack from us. It's very amazing and just built for you. Hurry up.